Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers, Florida. Excited to bring you today a 2017 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This is a bow rider, great boat, nice beam, 200 horsepower upgraded Mercury Verado on the stern. And speaking of the stern, let me show you a couple of features back here on the stern. Got the nice full swim platform across the back, 4-step swim ladder, and for us old guys, this has a ski pole on the back for pulling a water skier or the kids on inner tubes. Also has a sun deck across the back, storage in that nice big walkthrough we just came through, and look at the seating here in the aft. Plenty of room for 3 adults, great storage down in the locker. Also got great storage and seating over here on the port side. Little igloo cooler goes underneath the seat over here that you can slide out and use as a table in the center. Got nice floor storage here in the boat as well. Then you notice on the helm seat right now we've got the bolster up so that you can stand up and drive behind the helm. Or we can put that seat down and you can sit down and really enjoy the helm here on this beautiful 21 SPX. This boat has 102 hours on that 200 horsepower Mercury. Nice complement of gauges, Rockford Fosgate stereo, and again a nice big seating area up here in the bow. Plenty of room so that whether you're 6'1" like me or somebody smaller, you got plenty of room up here to sit and enjoy. This 21 SPX is not going to last very long. This is a great boat for you to get out and about and enjoy here in Southwest Florida or wherever you may be boating this summer. Again, super boat. Look forward to talking to you. Franklin Pillsbury, MarineMax, Fort Myers, Florida.